Today we unboxing a product from Lidl.
Cien beauty. That is bright.
So let's go to the unboxing.
Yes, me and boxes. We don't go together. Butter is included. That's our stand. Manual.
Yes.
Oh, yes, that tilts.
Yep. Perfect.
Oh, I hope it's not signing too bad for you guys.
No, it's perfect. On that spot, we need a screwdriver.
Yes, we do. Attach this. Just clips in. Let's put the batteries in. We do have LED lights, let's see. That is bright. They are dimmable. If you just hold, it will dim. That's the lowest. And it's going back up. You just literally touch, like I want it to stop there maybe.
And it has a warning, guys,
Yes.
that don't put it close to a window because of the magnifying
Mirror. Yeah, you can cause a fire. I am actually gonna put some makeup on. See if I can put my makeup on with this, because sometimes, as you know, in the bathroom you struggle a bit, you need it a bit closer, and you literally end up like nearly whacking your head on the mirror in the bathroom.
Yep.
So I will start with my eyeshadow because I want to. Always I want bigger view of what I'm doing, so I am using the time 2 one because I don't like smudges. It really helps, you can see in detail what you're actually doing. This makes it so much easier. Yes, I know they look different. I don't think I've removed the previous mascara off completely. But it just does make it so much easier to see where you actually put in the brush here, so you don't end up with mascara marks. First of all, I did not like the way the light went on so bright, and it literally blinded me. I do like that you can actually see your face +2, +5, because that gives you the opportunity to actually see exactly what you're doing. It is great if you want to take your eyebrows out, like the detail on +5 is amazing. I also like that you can actually adjust the light just as you want to get whatever you like, your makeup, your hair, everything as you want. You get proper light, doesn't matter where you are. Hi! You have the light you need to do your makeup. Okay, be careful with turning it on the first time. It might be too bright.
Yeah, I forgot to warn you that it's 7.2 watts of power, so it's quite bright.
It's quite bright.
So everybody that is new to the channel, welcome. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'm Mr. D.
I am Zoe.
Don't forget to put a comment down and say your opinion about this product. We tested it. It looks decent.
Yeah.
Don't forget to subscribe, share this video, and see you on the next one.
See ya. Bye.
Bye.